Let's learn the days of the week. Do you know there are 7 days in the week? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and lastly, Saturday. Now let's review. I say the word and you repeat after me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Well done! You are awesome! Please subscribe, like, and share. Woo!